Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Computer Science and iOS Senior Secondary course. We are going to deal with array in this video, and in this video you will be seeing array, two basic programs that they are accessing array elements and how to modify the array element. So before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel so that you can get the notifications on time, and give it a like if you like this content. You can see similar videos in the playlist and share it with your friends. Let's begin. So first question is, or the first program, you can say it is accessing the array element. Already in the previous videos, we have discussed what is an array, how to declare an array, and how to initialize an array. Okay. Instead of initializing an array, we have methods to read it from the keyboard, read the elements through the keyboard, and in this video we are going to see how to access them. That means you have to read it and you have to display it. That's what we are going to see in this first program. So input, as usual, you have to have an array with some elements, maybe 3 elements, 5 elements, 6 elements, how many you wish. You have to enter it through initialization or by reading through the keyboard. Two options are there. After the values are read in the array with indexes, can be a of 0, which represents the first element, a of 1, which represents the second element, a of 2, which represents the third element, and so on. So in that way you will be able to see all these and display it. By displaying, you will be able to see what are the elements in your array. So that is the first program that we are going to see. So output, you should get the array elements that you have given as the input. And next program is modifying the array element, that we will be seeing after doing the program, exact program of your accessing array elements. Let's see. So for doing this program, I have used programmis.com. So in the Google, you have to type programmis.com. There you will be able to see, you can see here programmis.com. There you will be able to see C++. Here on your left, C++ will be there. So click on that. So the platform will be for typing the C++ programs. Once you do it, you will be seeing a screen where you have got to write the program. So in our program here, what is being done is just an easy explanation of the program. Here cout is for understanding what has to be done in the program. Just a message will be displayed because of the cout. And then here you can see it's a for loop. Elements are read one after the other, because you can see the elements are a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, like that it goes on. So it should start with a 0, then the counting should increase, so it should be put in the loop. So that's why it is there. The cin is inside a loop, so that repeatedly the values are to be read, and we are doing it through the keyboard. You can also do it through initialization, that's also possible. Okay, so this is reading of the values, and after the values are read, they have to be displayed. The value should be displayed on the screen and the user have to see it. So again, a loop is there where you will be displaying the values one by one through this cout, and this endl is used for going to the next line so that the elements are displayed in the next line. That's all. And you can see the program ends here. Let's see whether this program is working or not. Okay, so for that you have to go to the execution part, that is on the run. You have to click it, the message comes as enter elements. So here I'm going to give some random elements that I wish to see or I wish to be in the array. So let it be for 56 first, then 54, then 23, then 12, and they are done. And you can see the result after that. The same elements are displayed for your information. So this is what accessing the array elements. This is the way how you access each and every element from the elements that you have read. Hope you understood this program. If you have got doubt, please do comment in the comment section, and let's go to the next program. So our second program is modifying the array element. So for modifying the array element, you have to know modifying an element. That means you are going to change an element. To modify, change any of the element. For example, if you have got a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, and the first element will be a of 0 that I missed out, and like that you have different elements. So let it be 24, 26, 30, 20. Okay, these are the values. So what our program needs is we have to modify a particular element. Let it be a of 2. So if it is a of 2, you want some other value instead of this 30. So the value got changed in our program and we want it as 46. In that case, you have to use this program, that is change the value. So what is the input? You have to have elements. Array elements should be there, and what you need to do is you have to change or modify an element. The element which you want to change, that is your wish. Here I wish to change a of 2 to 46. That is my aim. So you can do according to your wish, and then after that display the whole changed arrays after changing, after updating whatever is the value. So let's see how to do it through our program. Going to the program, you can see on the left, same program is platform I have used. So in this, the first loop, once you go here, main function. Inside main function, you can see an array is declared with I as another element, iteration element. Here, cout is for displaying the message of entering an element to the user, and the values are read. And here you can see the elements are, again the values are displayed. That's what we have done in the previous program. Now what we have to do is we have to change a particular element. So a of 2 needs to be changed to some other value, that is 1000. Let it be 1000 here. So cout, the elements are again displayed once more, because this time you have changed the value of this. So this is the main thing in your process that happens. So after that again display. So this time you should get a new value for every array element. You will have a new value with the old values will be there, and the new changed value will also be there. Let's see how it has to be executed. On your right, you can see enter element. So this time I'm going to give 10, 20, 30, 40. I hope 4 elements are only required. So after that the message comes, the elements are 10, 20, 30 and 40. That what you have entered, that values will be here. And then comes the message, the elements are. That means you have modified this value 10, 20 and next value is 1000 and then 40. You can see here the 30 is changed to 1000. So whatever is in the place of a of 2. Okay. So the third element gets changed, that is to 1000. Any value you give, it will be changing its value. To understand, you can again execute it and see. So this time I'm giving only 1-digit values. So 1358. So this time 5 also should be changed. So first thing is displaying of the message and then change the value. So here you can see the message is displayed as such. The values are displayed in front of you. And here you can see the value is again changed to 1000. So this is what modifying of your array element. Hope you understood both these programs, accessing array element and modifying array element. If you have got doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Hope the video was useful to you. If you found the video useful, please do give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.